Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
There are 3 ways to send messages on Xbox: on console, the Xbox mobile app, and connected keyboard peripherals. To message on console, press the Xbox button, go to Guide, then People, and open Messages to start or continue a conversation. The on-screen keyboard appears automatically, but a USB or Bluetooth keyboard types faster and supports punctuation and symbols. You can also use voice dictation if your controller headset supports voice, or type on the Xbox app and sync messages instantly with your console. Download and sign in to the Xbox app on Android or iOS with the same Microsoft account used on your console. This syncs messages and friends. Open the Friends tab, select a friend, and tap Message to type. You can attach screenshots or short game clips from your device. Messages sent in the Xbox app sync instantly with your console when both devices are online, so you can continue conversations on TV. Use the app keyboard for faster typing, copy and paste, and multi-line edits before sending. For speed, use voice dictation if available or connect a physical USB or Bluetooth keyboard to your console. Both beat the on-screen keyboard for extended typing. Learn controller shortcuts. Press RB to switch keyboard modes and press menu, identical to for message options like edit, delete, report, or block. Adjust privacy and online safety in settings to control who can message you, who sees your profile, and who can invite you to parties. If you receive unwanted content, block or report the user immediately from the conversation menu.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.